When we're multiplying fractions, just using numbers, no pictures, we're going to use an algorithm because that's a quick and efficient way for us to get our answer. But it does help also to know what we're talking about. So if we're going to take 1/3 of 12, notice that this is a fraction, and we're going to take a part of this number. 12 is a whole number. So if we're going to use fractions, I need to turn it into a fraction. So I'm going to start by taking my 1/3, and I'm going to say of 12 over 1. Now at this point, we know that 1/3 of means the same as 1/3 times 12 over 1. This is now a fraction. It is improper, but it is a fraction. When we have two fractions and we're going to multiply, we can actually just take our numbers and multiply them straight across, and that would get us 12. 1 times 12 is 12. 3 times 1 is 3. 12 over 3. After we are done, we want to look at this and go, wait, 12 over 3 doesn't make a lot of sense, so let's go get that back into what we know in a more sensible way, which would be 4. 12 over 3 is the same as 4 wholes. In this problem, we're taking 1/3 of a number that's already less than a whole. I don't have any fractions that I have to change, so I'm just going to go ahead and multiply those straight across, which should get me 4 over 15. I can't simplify or change that fraction in any way. I can't scale it down. I don't have to scale it up. It makes no sense. So I'm just going to keep it at 4/15. This problem has a fraction, but it's taking away or out of a mixed number. When we have mixed numbers like this, 3 1/4, the easiest and most efficient way to get our answer is to turn it into a fraction, which has to become an improper fraction. So we're going to write our problem as 2/3 times, well, 3 1/4 is the same as 12, 13 fourths. Now that I have these both set in fraction format, I can go ahead and multiply straight across. 2 times 13 is 26. 3 times 4 is 12. That is an improper fraction. I do need to get out of that. How many times does 12 go into 26? 2 times. That left me with 24, leaving me with 2 pieces left over, 2 2/12. This could be my answer, or I could simplify this into 2 1/6 as a final simplified answer. When we're multiplying fractions, once they are both numbers are in fraction forms, you can multiply straight across and you can get your answer that way.